Alright, good morning students. How have you been? How's life? Hope everybody is fine. I'm so excited to join the online learning. In today's video, I'd like to discuss about some creatures that live in the deep sea. Yeah, these are the example. First one is called viper fish, and then second one is anglerfish, anglerfish, and then gulper eels. If you see the picture, how will you describe them? How would you describe them? Yeah, they look ugly. Yeah, we can circle. Yeah, circle. One word that describes all the fish. They are ugly. Of course, they are quiet too, but you have to circle one word only. Okay, so besides these four creatures, there are actually a lot of sea creatures that live in the deep sea. Yeah, you can search on the internet, YouTube, or National Geographic. Yeah, there are a lot of sea creatures that look scary, ugly, and mysterious. Yeah, here we have a text about strange fish. Strange means unusual, ya, tidak biasa. Yeah, why are they strange? Yeah, because their look is strange, yeah, ugly, and probably we have never seen these creatures before. Yeah. Okay, so let's listen to the audio text. Later, I want you to practice reading this text at home, yeah? Practice your pronunciation.
Unit 5, Lessons 5 and 6. Strange Fish.
Many strange and wonderful creatures live deep in the ocean. They are all different. Viperfish are very ugly, and they have teeth that are bigger than their mouths. They can't even close their mouths. They are smaller than other fish. The anglerfish is fatter than the viperfish. It is very ugly too. It is dark gray or dark brown. It has a huge head, so it can eat other fish that are bigger than it is. The fang-toothed fish has longer teeth than other fish. It looks like a monster, but it is really quite a small fish. Gulper eels have smaller teeth than the other fish, but their mouths are very big. They eat with their big mouths. Their tails are longer than other fish. They have small lights at the ends of their tails.
Okay, so now let's try to underline any important information from each paragraph. Now, the first about viperfish. How does viperfish look? It looks ugly. Now, what do they have? Yeah, they have teeth that are bigger than their mouths. Now, what is the comparative word here? Yeah, it's bigger. The comparative word is bigger. Yeah, please underline. And then what is the other comparative word? Smaller. Yeah, smaller and then bigger. Okay, number 2, the anglerfish. So what are the characteristics of anglerfish? First, the anglerfish is fatter than viperfish. And what is the comparative word? Correct, fatter. Yeah, it is very ugly. And then, please underline the other characteristics. Yeah, it is dark gray or dark brown. Huge head. And then please underline the the other comparative word. Yeah, this one, bigger. So we already have fatter, then bigger. Okay, number 3. Yeah, this is just a short paragraph. Does it have comparative words? No, yeah, it doesn't have comparative words. Number 4. What are the characteristics of gulper eels? Yeah, gulper eels have smaller teeth than the other fish. How do their mouths look like? Yeah, their mouths are very big. And their tails are longer than other fish. Yeah, please underline the comparative words. Yeah, smaller, and then longer. Please underline. Okay, this is the other characteristic. Gulper eels have small lights at the ends of their tails. Okay, all right. So we have finished discussing this text. Now let's try to answer lesson 6. Yeah, write the name of the fish. So the sentences describe a certain fish. Number 1, they are smaller than other fish. So we have to read the text first. They are smaller than other fish. Can you find it? Yeah, they are smaller than other fish. So it's viper fish. Yeah, right, viper fish. Number 1. Then number 2, they have small lights at the ends of their tails. Correct. It's on paragraph 4. They have small lights at the ends of their tails. So they are gulper eels. Number 3, their teeth are bigger than their mouths. Their teeth are bigger than their mouths. Yeah, they are still viper fish. So number 1, viper fish. Number 2, fang-toothed fish. 3, viper fish. And then number 4, they have longer teeth than the other fish. Yeah, it's fang-toothed fish. Okay, let's try now. It's viper fish, and then fang-toothed fish. Fish again. They are fatter anglerfish. Gulper eels. Oh wait. Oh sorry. Yeah. Okay, viper fish, gulper eels, viper fish, fish, and anglerfish. So those are the answers. Done. Now part 3. Here you have to complete the chart with your ideas. Okay, what adjectives can you describe? Yeah. What adjectives can you use to describe dolphins and crocodiles and both of them? Yeah, so dolphins and crocodiles, yeah, both are big animals. Then write dolphins are, write the paragraph. Let me give you one example. I cannot do it here, so I'll do it here. Dolphins and crocodiles. Circle and make another circle. Add a text. This is golf. Sorry. This is dolphin. This is crocodiles. And in the middle is both, yeah. This is both. So, how would you describe dolphin? Let's say dolphins are mean, crocodiles are mean, and then strong. What about dolphins? Dolphins are friendly animal, and then intelligent. Dolphins are friendly and intelligent. However, crocodiles are mean and strong. And what other words can describe both of them, besides they are big? Okay, and then let's make the paragraph. Make the paragraph. Okay. Write about the animals. Okay, let's try. Dolphins are. Yeah, so of course you have to use comparing words, comparative adjectives to compare both of them, between dolphins and crocodiles. So dolphins are friendlier and more intelligent than crocodiles. But crocodiles are meaner, stronger than dolphins. Both are big animals. Okay, done. Let's get back. Now please finish it by yourself, guys. Yeah. Now here, please write the comparing words. Like this example, it is done for you. Stronger than, and then mean, and then you have to add er at the end of the word. Meaner than, ugly. Yeah, the word ends with the letter Y here. So you, what is that? You no longer use this letter here. You have to add I-E-R. There is a vocal and also a consonant, so you double the N letter. Now friendly, friendlier, friendlier than, thinner than, big. Yeah, there is a vocal and then a consonant, so you double the last letter. Big, bigger than. Finished. Last one. Here you have to make sentences with comparing words, with comparative adjectives. Just like the example, a cat is cuter than a frog. So a dog is, you only add I-E-R. A dog is friendlier than a lion. Number 3, start with mouse. Mouse is, we have the word not here, so we still use the word is, and then we add not. A mouse is not bigger than an elephant. A monkey is not meaner than a shark. A giraffe is taller than a crocodile. Lion is, remember guys, if there is the word not here, you have to put not as well. Is not slower than sloth. Check it out. Okay, so you can also write isn't instead of is not. A mouse isn't, or a monkey isn't, lion isn't. Okay, just like this. A mouse isn't, a monkey isn't, a lion isn't. They are all correct. Good. So so we have finished discussing different animals and the comparative check. So I guess that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for listening and watching my video, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.